Hi friends, on 1st July 2025, GST completed 8 years in India. And there are certain interesting statistics which also arose during this particular point in time. June 2025 collection rose to 1.85 lakh crores. This is around 8% higher than for the corresponding period of the earlier year, but this amount is lesser than the 2 lakh crore mark which was there for the month of April and May 2025. For the month of April 2025, the government of India reached the GST collection mark of 2.37 lakh crores. But despite the slump, the GST collection for the month of June 2025 was still higher than the average collection for the financial year 2025. That was around 1.8 lakh crores. And for financial year 2024-25, the total GST collection was around 22.5 lakh crores, which was around 1.8 lakh crores on an average. Also, in this connection, if you see some interesting statistics, the GST to GDP ratio has stabilized now over the years. For financial year 2018-19, the same was 6.2% of GDP, which slumped to 5.7% during the COVID year of financial year 2021. And then it has been somewhere stagnant at around 6.7% of GDP from financial year 22-23 onwards. Also, when we compare to the first year of GST implementation, in that first year, for the 9 months period, the GST collection was around 7.5 lakh crores. So, from a number perspective, on from April or around April 2025, there are around 1.5 crores active GST registrations. In a recent survey that was conducted by Deloitte, around 85% of the respondents were positive of the way GST has been implemented and it's currently effective. While we have said this, there are certain interesting trend as well in terms of the overall tax collection. In terms of overall tax collection, the share of direct tax as the overall tax revenue collected by government is increasing and it has even breached the 50% limit. Earlier, a good amount of tax was collected through indirect tax and lesser through direct tax, which is completely different from the developed economies where more amount is collected through direct tax and less amount is collected through indirect tax. Thus, possibility of GST reduction.